When that motorcade gets underway, it will end at criminal court in Lower Manhattan.
CBS News' Natalie Duddridge is there right now with more on what we can expect when he does get to the courthouse. Natalie?
Well, Chris and Mary, this is uncharted territory. As Elijah was mentioning, this is a very fluid situation. We are trying to be prepared for anything. What we expect to happen is, as Elijah was saying, Mr. Trump to arrive here to the courthouse. This is sometime before noon because he will be then processed, and his arraignment time is set for 2:15. At that arraignment, he will enter a plea to the judge, and we may finally learn the exact charges, which at this hour still remain under seal. This is certainly a day for the history books.
I know he won't settle. That's not in his, it's not in his DNA. He will fight this all the way to the end.
Michael Cohen, Mr. Trump's former fixer and a key witness for the prosecution, alleges the former president directed him to make hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels back in 2016.
I should not be held accountable for Donald Trump's dirty deeds.
Cohen has served time in prison partly for his involvement in that exchange. Now the court will examine Trump's role. The indictment is still sealed, but sources say Mr. Trump will likely be charged with falsifying business records in the first degree, a felony. Cohen's attorney says DA Bragg's team has a lot to work with.
This group of prosecutors in New York are depending upon emails, text messages, telephone calls, other witnesses. Everyone is going to be surprised how extensive the documents and the corroboration are in this case.
The former president denies any wrongdoing and has been trying to stir up anger against the judge overseeing the case, saying he hates me and calling the prosecution a witch hunt. His attorney, Joe Tacopina, saying
there is zero chance where Donald Trump is pleading to anything here. He committed no crime. He committed no wrong. Not a misdemeanor, not a felony, not a traffic ticket. There is nothing here.
CBS News confirms renowned white-collar defense attorney Todd Blanche has joined Trump's legal team. As for today, Mr. Trump will arrive at Manhattan Criminal Court for processing before noon.
He will be booked, so he'll be fingerprinted. He'll get a NYSID number, which is the New York State tracker that shows you've been arrested and charged with a felony.
He may stand for a mugshot, but he will not be handcuffed. There will also be no video cameras allowed inside 100 Center Street, only still photography. At the 2:15 arraignment, the judge is expected to outline the charges against Trump and ask for him to enter a plea.
Now, DA Bragg is expected to hold a press conference here at 3:30 this afternoon. As for Trump, he's expected to be released without bail. At that point, he would then fly back to Florida, where this evening he also plans to hold his own announcement. We are live in Lower Manhattan. Natalie Duddridge, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Natalie, thank you.